Hello everyone, my name is Vikas Agrawal and data science and business analytics intern at the Sparks Foundation. I have completed another task which is prediction using decision tree algorithm. In this task, I have to create the decision tree classifier and visualize it graphically. So, first of all, I have imported few libraries which is sklearn, pandas and numpy, graphviz, seaborn, matplotlib, and then I have loaded the dataset which is the iris dataset, and in that dataset I have converted it into a data frame using pandas and also have added a new column named species, and later on I have added names to those species. Earlier we were having values like 0, 1, 2, and now I have converted those values into target names which are Setosa, versicolor and virginica. Later on, I have plotted a pair plot graph which shows the complexity and the behavior of the data. And then I have trained my model using the train test split, and my test size is 0.2. It means I will be testing 20% of the data and the training data will be 80%. Now I'll be using decision tree classifier to complete the training and to predict the data. So this is my actual values and this is my predicted values. So as you all can see, there are no difference in actual and predicted values. So our model is quite accurate. Later on, I have visualized the decision tree. So this is our visual decision tree. So with the help of the decision tree, we can place a value where it originally belongs to. For example, if petal length is less than 2.45, then it will move towards genie like it is true, and if it is greater than 2.45, then it will move towards this false statement. And later on, I have rendered this output in a PDF form using this graph.render. So I have got a PDF of this graph, and I also have calculated the accuracy of training and testing data. So my accuracy is 100% since I have taken all the four features of the iris datasets for creating the decision tree model. So I was successfully able to carry out the prediction using decision tree algorithm.